Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to figure out when to replace your tires. Let's get started. So first up, we check for wear on the tire, uneven wear to be more precise. To check for uneven wear, you basically look at the first half of your tire and compare it to the other half of your tire. The both should have similar wear patterns. If they don't, you either need an alignment check or you need to have a suspension check, or maybe both. The thing you need to do is check and see if there's any bald spots. The whole tire should have a pattern on it. If there's any areas where it's bald, your tire needs to be changed. So second up is checking the general condition of the tire. Basically, there must be no big bubbles. You can have small bubbles on the tire. If you don't go to your top speed or drive very fast, etc., it will not blow out. However, if you have big bubbles that look like this, then you basically need to change your tire immediately. You can also have a condition called tire separation. Now, tire separation occurs when the actual tread of your tire starts separating from the inner lining. Now, the way you can figure out if you have tire separation is if your tire starts to vibrate badly even though it's balanced, and there's uneven bumps on the tread of your tire, or your tire starts looking like an egg and slightly bigger than the others. And now we come to the last and the most important part, which is the tire tread depth and how to check for that. So normally your tire tread depth should be at minimum 2 millimeters. However, you can do it the easier way. Most modern tires have what is called a tire tread depth indicator. Now what this does is, that's how it makes it more easier for police and other organizations to check whether your tire is almost finished or whether it needs to be replaced and give you a fine. However, to avoid that, you can look at yourself. It normally has these in between the grooves a small slit which is about 2 millimeters high. So 2 millimeters should be the ideal tread depth to change your tire to a new one. So 2 millimeter indicator on that. So when that indicator starts showing, that means your tire needs to be replaced. So yes, it's very, very important to check your tires regularly, because tires are important safety aspect. If your tires are worn down, you can have a blowout. If you're driving in the wet, your traction will be reduced quite greatly because you don't have enough tread to disperse the water, which can cause aquaplaning and an accident. I've been through the aquaplaning, and I must say it is a really, really scary situation, because due to having bald tires, the car actually floats on water. So yes, having good tread and good tires is very, very important. Safety first always. So guys, I hope this video is as informative as it can be, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more daily content coming soon. Until next time.